Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. So today we're going to be installing the Google Play Store on any Amazon Fire tablet. So this should work on like almost every single Fire tablet. So if you guys are tired of the Amazon App Store and you want real actual apps, then this is the guide for you. So first we're going to go to Google and we're going to go to this guide, how to install Google Play Store on Fire tablet. And then, so the link will be in the description on this. But then there's this one down here, if I can find it, APK mirror. And it has all the APKs for, oh wait, no, this is the wrong one. Sorry guys, hold on. It's on How to Geek. So I'll link this in the description. This link will be in the description anyway though. So we go to this guide and we go to download the Play Store files. So what you want to do first is go to settings, about. So just type in about Fire tablet. And then you can see, so my device model is a Fire HD 10 13th generation. So make sure to take notes of that because we're going to need it for this. And then after that, you're going to go to security and privacy on settings. So settings, and then scroll to security and privacy. And then go to apps from unknown sources. And then you can allow Silk browser. So this will be disabled by default. So you'll just click allow from this source. And then I think it gives you like a warning or something. But then you can download the right APKs of these services for the Google Play Store. So if we go back to this, and then, so we already did that. Now, we're going to download Google Account Manager. So Google Account Manager is going to show up here. So for the Fire HD 7 and older, you're going to use this one. But for all the other ones, you're going to use this one. So I'm going to use this one because I have the newer one. So now you just scroll down to download APK. And now you just let it, and then it'll ask file might be harmful. Don't worry guys, this is not a virus. This is perfectly fine. I've done this many times. So just click download anyway. So now it downloaded it. So we don't go ahead and open it yet. We just keep it there and close this tab. Now we're going to go to, so let's go to Google Services Framework. So after that, you're going to do Google Services Framework. And see, here's all the lists of the Fire tablet models. And then I'm going to choose mine, which is the Fire HD 10, 9th, 11th gen, and on. So I'm going to use this one, Google Services Framework version 9. So then it'll take me to this link after I click on that. And then I click download APK again. And then now I wait for it to go. And I click download anyway. And then that one's downloading. Now after that, Google Play Services. So I want Fire HD 10, 9th gen, 11th gen. And that's good for me. So I'll take this one. And then you guys might have a different thing because you're a different model. So I go to this one. And all these APKs, so do not get a bundle. So some of them are bundles. I'll show you one that's a bundle later. So get like the actual APK. So I'm not going to get a beta. I'm going to get this one. So you just click on the one you want, the latest version usually you would want. And then after that, click download APK. And then just wait for it. Then click download anyway. And then there. Now that's downloading. So the next one we go to after Google Play Services is the real Google Play Store. So there's only one, so just click on this because it's universal for every single tablet. And then look, so these are the bundles. You do not want to download the bundles. Only download the APKs. So you see those gray APKs? Only download those, no green bundles. So I'm going to do for Android 10 Plus because that's what FileOS is based off of for my version. Now I click download APK. And this is going to be the last file we need. And again, these files are not harmful. They're perfectly fine. So I'm going to click download anyway. Wait for that to download. So now we'll just wait for those things to download. And then after that, I'll show you guys how to do this. So now we go back to the file. So now we go to the Files app. And then we have, hold on, let me make this so you can see it better. Okay, so we have com.android GMS. So, and then what we're going to do is wait for the files to finish downloading. Don't do anything until these two are done downloading. So we're going to wait 32 seconds and 14 seconds. So just give it a second to download. Yours might download faster depending on the internet speed. So once this is done, we'll proceed with the next step. Okay, so they're now downloaded. So now there's a special order to do this. Do not skip this. There's a special way to do this thing. So first you're going to download, click on com.google.android GSF login first. And you're going to click continue and click install. And then click done. So that's the first one. So now you can go to GSF, which is the next one. And you have to do this in this correct order, otherwise Google Play Store will not install. Click install. That one's done. Now we're going to go to GMS. Just give it a second. Click continue, click install. And if it says app not installed, that means you got the wrong version. So you have to go back and get a better version for your specific Fire tablet model. Otherwise, it won't install the correct stuff. So make sure you have the correct files for your specific model. Google Play Services does typically take a little longer than the other ones. So you might just have to sit there for a little bit. Okay, so now it says app installed. So we're done with that one. So I click done. Now the very last one we're doing, so we do it in order of GSF login, GSF, GMS, and then vending. So this is the actual app. These are all the things to make the app run. So do not skip these extra files. So now we're going to do vending. So com.android.google vending or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, they'll continue, install. So now you just let it install. It may take a moment. Now it says app installed. So don't open it yet. Click done. Now we can delete all these because we don't need them. Don't worry, we don't need these files. So just hold down on each one, or you can select all of them, and then just click the trash can up here. And then now those are deleted. So now, oh, also, don't worry about these files. These are my own. Like, those are just personal files. Anyway, though, so now that you guys see, Google Play Store is on the screen. So now you're going to just click on the app to open it, like you would do. And then here's Google Play Store. So you'll click sign in. And then it'll just like go through the whole setup process and tell you what to do to sign in with your Google account. So it'll like, just give it a second. So you gotta wait for it to like check all your info, like it would on a normal Android tablet. And then now it tells you to sign in with your Google account. So you would sign in with your Google account, and then it would let you into the Play Store, and you would be able to download apps regularly. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And goodbye. See you next time. Also guys, sorry the quality is like horrible with like my screen recorder just couldn't like get the full screen, so it's like that black stuff right there. I'm sorry guys, hopefully this won't happen again. Alright, well, thank you.